What's up, everybody? Jared here. And are you wanting to learn Kana in less than a week like I did? In this video, I'm going to go over what I did originally that didn't get me any results. And then, secondly, we'll go over how I was able to learn hiragana and katakana in less than a week or so. For those of you who don't know what kana is, it is a combination of hiragana and katakana, which are two of the main writing systems in Japanese. Now, I want to start this video by saying I don't speak Japanese.
I don't speak Japanese.
I've been to Japan several times. Very much enjoy the culture, the food, the country itself. So I want to be able to speak the language one day, or at least be able to watch TVs, read novels. And so, in order for me to do that, first off, you need to learn hiragana and katakana. Now, there is kanji in Japanese, and that's a whole nother thing that I haven't even started delving into yet. Uh, so without further ado, let's hop in here. So probably like all language learners that are maybe just hobbyists or kind of do it on the side and just want the gamification, they use Duolingo. Now I'm an ICU nurse and I'm also still in school. So I'm pretty busy. So I thought that Duolingo would be a good way to learn the characters and also just be able to kind of keep a streak and blah blah. Well, I did that for quite a few weeks, and probably even off and on over the better course of this whole year. As you can see here, you start off with hiragana, gives you some tips, and you learn the characters. And as you can see, I have not even made a dent in hiragana. It takes a long time to go through the characters doing it this way in Duolingo. And then you've got katakana, and then kanji apparently pops up as you go through the levels. I only made it to unit 3 here. I don't know that I'll be doing any more Duolingo. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But as of right now, I'm not going to be focused on any of that. So I'm a big advocate of Anki, especially to memorize certain things. Obviously, for language acquisition, I believe that comprehensible input, from what I can tell, is probably one of the best approaches. But to have comprehensible input, you've got to know the language system first, or at least the writing system, rather. And hiragana is where you're going to want to start. Now, tofugu,
Tofugu.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, so don't hold me to it. Tofugu, this deck right here, uh, and then also there's a second one, the learn katakana or katakana and the hiragana decks. I'll link those in the video description below. But instead of wasting all that time trying to do uh, the characters in Duolingo, just import these two decks. As you can see here, I've got a one main Japanese deck, and put these two under right here. I started off with the hiragana deck, and just go ahead and have all your new cards set at 9999 because you want to just have the whole system there. You can power through uh, this deck in the matter of no time, and these cards allow you to type in what is this?
Ni.
Yeah. See, so you can type in, see if you're wrong or right. I've actually found that this deck making you type in the pronunciation of these symbols actually works out a little bit better than just actually trying to pronounce it and tell yourself if it's right or wrong. Um,
Ah.
and then it gives you their little mnemonic and kind of a picture to help you remember it. And so I was able to get through the hiragana and katakana deck pretty much just being on the treadmill at the gym in about 4 days. And then when I was laying in bed at night, of course, I had a little bit of prior knowledge because I had done the Duolingo uh, characters, but I didn't really remember anything because I was doing it so sporadically. But this Tofugu, hiragana, and katakana Anki deck has been a game changer. I I still struggle as I read through words, and I downloaded this Kaishi 1.5K deck, and I've put it to have 5 new words or sentences every day. I've been working all weekend, so you can see I'm kind of behind, but that's okay. I like Anki too because if you need to see your streak, I get the heat map down here to show how many days I've got. But I'll link another video to if you don't know anything about Anki, a full tutorial on how to use that. But this is just a quick video of me saying like this is where I'm at in my Japanese journey. I I'm not very good at all. I just know roughly what the characters look like and no kanji, but uh hopefully over the next through 2026 I'll be able to progress a little bit further. I just don't have as much time now being in school and working full time. But I hope this helps anybody just getting started and wanting to learn Japanese. I feel like now that I know what the symbols look like, this is at least I feel like I know something about Japanese, and the characters don't look so foreign and overwhelming anymore. So anyway, go over there, download those decks, and learn hiragana and katakana. And good luck studying. And I'll update you on my learning journey. And I'll see y'all on that next one.